Okay, let's start these cheeseburger quesadillas off. And they're super simple, really easy to do. So, a pan over about medium heat. You want to add about 1 pound of hamburger. And then to that, about a tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning mix. I have given the recipe for this, 10,000 times. So watch another video. Fuck it. It's just equal parts salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. All right. Okie dokie. Now we need to make a sauce for our quesadilla. So you want to start by 1 cup of mayo, about a 1/4 cup of yellow mustard, about 1/3 of a cup of ketchup, and then a couple of big tablespoons of relish, because if a burger doesn't have pickles on it, it's garbage. If you ever get a burger and it doesn't have pickles on it, throw the motherfucker around the goddamn ground. And then you just... and also don't forget to add a little bit of black pepper. You don't need to add any salt because of the mustard and the ketchup. So yeah, if your burger doesn't have pickles on it, throw the motherfucker on the ground. Okay, basically you just want to give this a little taste to make sure it's right. And then pop it in the fridge and let it chill down. Okay, now let's work on assembling them. You want to take just enough of that sauce we made to kind of give it a light little coating. I don't know. I can't give you an exact measurement. You do it how you like. Oh, and these are fajita-sized tortilla shells. And then you want to take just a little bit of hamburger meat. Not too much because, quite frankly, you're going to these have to close. So they can't be, super stuffed. Then, because everything in the world is better with bacon, you want to add just a little bit of bacon. Just a little bit. Like I said, there's one of life's true facts. Every goddamn motherfucking thing is better with bacon. And then just a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese, and then get ready to fry them up. After they've been fried in a pan over about medium heat for a couple of minutes, you can kind of see it there. Basically, you want to fry them like you do a grilled cheese. And if you don't know how to have a grilled cheese or make a grilled cheese, I can't help you. And that's it. Cheeseburger quesadillas. Done.